Hey extraordinary people, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Nadine. Okay, so today I was preparing dinner and I thought, let me just bring you guys along with me. So what I'd love for you to do is to watch my video for at least 4 minutes. I'd love it if you'd watch it to the end, but if you don't have the time, watch it for 4 minutes, then hit the like button, leave me a nice comment, and then you hit that red subscribe button. Thank you. I've gone ahead and stripped the chicken of the skin as well as the fat, and I'm going to be adding in all these ingredients: the onion, garlic, pepper, thyme, scallion, salt. I'm also adding some season up to the mix. You can add whatever seasonings you like, your preference. I also add my curry powder along with all these ingredients. I love it like that, and I think it makes it very delicious.
And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
After adding in all my ingredients, I went ahead and I grabbed the cling wrap and I wrapped it over the container. What this does, because there is no air coming into the container, it traps all of the seasoning. So all of the seasoning infuse up in the chicken, you know. So you see, when you prepare this chicken and when I prepare this chicken, oh my goodness, it was so delicious. All the seasoning are infused into this delicious mix. Oh my god, it's sweet. Okay, so how I start my curry chicken off, I treat it as though I'm going to be frying chicken. So I heat the oil and then I take off the seasoning that was on it, and then I allow both sides to catch some color, you know, fry just a little bit, nothing too crispy, but you know, give it a nice texture. Okay, so the process has started. As you can see, my delicious chicken is in the pot. I'm just going to allow it to catch some color on both sides for maybe about 2 or 3 minutes or so on each side, and I repeat that. I take those out and then I add more chicken and do the same thing, just to give it a little bit of frying with the curry, because some persons will say that they burn the curry first. Me not like that something. I like to season my chicken, putting in everything: my pepper, my scallion, my onion, my season up, all of the things where you don't normally put in to your liking for your curry when you're seasoning up your meat. I also just pour on the curry and rub that in there. Then I seal it with a plastic and allow it to marinate. Right? So now I've taken off the seasoning off it, and I'm just allowing it to kind of have a slight golden brown color on both sides. Alright, now pack a bubble. How I do my curry, I don't like the idea of, some persons do it and to each his own, but for me, I like to just rub on the curry along with the other seasoning, and I leave it for sometimes half an hour, but you can marinate your thing overnight if you want, you know. But for short marination, you can seal it with plastic, and that helps to trap the seasoning and the flavor. So after I do this, I'm going to remove these and add a different set. When that is finished, I'm going to put all of those seasonings that was on the chicken in the pot again, and then I'm going to add my water, and then I'm going to allow it to cook down, and voila! Curry chicken, nice chicken will be ready. So at this point, I'm just adding the ones that were done before. into the pot. And something to note, when you're going to be adding water, it's always a good idea to have some hot water handy so that you don't cool down the meat if you pour cold water in it.
Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but
So now added my water and cover her down, make she cook down and simmer, and then yeah, full time.
this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving